Today we're doing function rules, tables, and graphs. We have to model the function rule using a table of values and then graph it. We're working with y equals 1/2 x plus 3. To come up with our table, we need to choose 3 values for x. For x, I'm going to choose -1, 0, and 1. What we're doing next is we're going to substitute x with -1, so 1/2 times -1 plus 3. 1/2 times -1 plus 3 means -1/2 plus 3 is equal to what? 2.5. For 0, if we substitute x with 0, either way is okay, decimal or fraction. 1/2 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 1/2. Now we're going to substitute 1. 1/2 times 1 plus 3 is 3.5. Now if you want to write these out as decimals, it's the same thing. I've corrected this top decimal, 2.5. We can see that we have our ordered pairs as -1 and 2.5, or 2.5, 0 and 3, and 1 and 3.5, or 3.5. If we plot each of these ordered pairs, we have graphed our line. -1, 2.5, 1, 2.5, 0 and 3, and 1 and 3.5. We connect our dots. So we've modeled the function rule using a table, and we've graphed our values. If you are asked to graph y equals the absolute value of x plus 1, we must start with a table. Y equals the absolute value of x plus 1. Because this has an absolute value, I'm going to choose 5 different numbers, and you choose them. I'm going to choose -3, -1, 0, 1, and 3. I'm choosing these numbers so that I have my graph on both sides of the y-axis. So if we substitute -3, we get the absolute value of -3 plus 1 is equal to 4. We substitute -1, the absolute value of -1 plus 1 is 2. The absolute value of 0 plus 1 is 1. The absolute value of 1 plus 1 is 2. The absolute value of 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. On this side, I'm going to write each of my ordered pairs. So my first ordered pair is -3, 4, -1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4. To graph my function, I'm going to plot each of these points. So -3 and 4, -1 and 2, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And we can connect our points. If we have to graph the function f of x equals x squared plus 1, we can create our table and start substituting. So -2 squared plus 1 is 5. -1 squared plus 1 is 2. 0 squared plus 1 is 1. 1 squared plus 1 is 2. And 2 squared plus 1 is 5. We can write down our ordered pairs as -2 and 5, -1 and 2, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, and 2 and 5. If we plot these, -2, 5, -1 and 2, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 5, we can connect our points, creating a U shape.